here is a song of an old sheep cocky. Hey up, get along, hoss. His laugh was merry, though his knees were knocky. Hey up, get along, hoss. He loved to chuckle, he never was glum. He'd lovely white whiskers and a nose like a plum, with a this and a that and a funny old hat. Hey up, get along, hoss. Oh, he rode a mare with a head like a fiddle. Hey up, get along, hoss. She was up at the end, she was down in the middle. Hey up, get along, hoss. He was going to the sales with his wall-eyed dog, but he didn't get there, for he hit the grog with a this and a that and a funny old hat. Hey up, get along, hoss. As he rode along, he rolled in the saddle. Hey up, get along, hoss. With his eyes screwed up, his brain in an addle. Hey up, get along, hoss. For coming through the bush, he saw elephants too. One was pink and the other one blue, with a this and a that and a funny old hat. Hey up, get along, hoss. On the first one sat a Barbary ape, singing, hey up, get along, hoss. On the second sat a devil in a velvet cape, singing, hey up, get along, hoss. He looked at Cocky, remarked with a grin, you want to cut the hock and Huey boy and stick to gin, with a this and a that and a funny old hat. Hey up, get along, hoss. Cocky took another look, for the day was early. Hey up, get along, hoss. His beard went straight and it came back curly. Hey up, get along, hoss. His false teeth chattered, the bottoms and the tops, and his eyes came out like organ stops, with a this and a that and a funny old hat. Hey up, get along, hoss. He don't touch the hock and Huey now. He won't touch gin. Singing, hey up, get along, hoss. He's right on the wagon, he's miserable as sin. Singing, hey up, get along, hoss. He's stone cold sober, now he's seen the light. That's the end, my friend, so I'll bid you good night. With a this and a that and a funny old hat, and a hey up, get along, hoss. With a this and a that and a funny old hat, and a hey up, get along, hoss.